This video will cover installation of the SolarEdge Nexis Battery and link. The packaging of the Nexis battery block is designed to be opened by cutting the corners of the box to fold open like a flower for ease of use and a safer lift. The top of each battery block features simple click architecture. The quick connector is designed with a small amount of play, allowing easier connection of each component. The LED indicator window allows the battery state to be checked prior to installation. Each block also features a bubble level used when adjusting the battery block feet during installation. And if for any reason you need to disconnect a battery block, back off the simple click screws on either side with a hand tool, making sure to screw back in prior to reinstallation. Prior to installation, verify the LED indicator is blinking green once every few seconds. Handles and feet for the battery blocks are packaged along with the battery link. Install the battery block feet on the bottom of the first block. Next, install the battery block filter. Hook the battery block handles from the outside and move the first battery block into place. Unhook the handles, and they'll be used to place each battery block in the stack. Verify installation distance from the wall using the wall bracket go, no-go indicators as a guide. In this case, there's a 4-inch concrete footer we'll need to use strut to gap. Each battery block foot has a nut to lock it in place. Using the bubble level as a guide, adjust each battery block foot and lock it in place. Remove the quick connect cover on the bottom of each battery and install. As you connect each battery block, listen for the quick connect click. Be sure to remove the handles each time you install a block. Install the uppermost battery block and leave the handles hooked and folded down. Install the battery wall bracket on the battery block below the link. The Nexis Link packaging also includes a wall bracket extension, in the event that you're not installing directly in front of a stud. Remove the Link Quick Connect cover. Install the Nexis Link, making sure you hear the simple click connectors engage. Before opening the link, verify the rotary switch is in the off position. To wire the link, loosen the T25 cover screws and lower the hinged cover down. The link features DC conductor wiring channels on either side of the unit to guide conductors forward. Install DC positive and negative conductors using the locking lever terminations and tug test to verify connection. If you're using the left DC conduit entrance, there's a wiring channel in the upper part of the chassis that you can use to pass through conductors. To hardwire communication conductors for the link, remove the connector from the packaging and connect the CAN bus terminations using a twisted pair for H and L and a third conductor of your choice for ground. When wiring communications for the inverter, install your conductors for L, H, and G. After wiring the link, close the hinged cover, being sure not to pinch any conductors when closing. Tighten the T25 cover screws and you're ready to commission. Thanks for joining us in SolarEdge Training.